So what's going on, everyone? We're gonna look at the Pavo25 V2 here, and we're gonna connect it with our DJI O3 Air unit. Here we go. This is what you get out of the box. You got the actual unit right here. Pavo, some instruction manuals there, extra blades, some wiring there. I got the lighting as well there, and some harnesses for the camera. This is what we get on the Air unit there. So first step is to take off these screws right here. The size for that is the H1.5. There you go. Now we can install the O3 Air in there. Once you take off the four screws there and the cap, you can also take off the whole frame there. I'm gonna take off these four screws now. Right there. For the little bridge right there and the other side. That way we can route our wires in there. I'll take off the four screws on the DJI O3 so we can mount it on the base. It's all good. Now we gotta need these screws right here, provided in the Pavo25 V2 box. And we're gonna mount that right in here. Right here, I'll pre-install the TF card, the micro SD card right there. Also pre-install the cable. Looks like it's pre-mounted now. Now we just gotta look at the back and make sure the orientation is correct, like so. We got the camera now. Need to install the mount for that, like so. That's what it looks like right there. The logo on the back is DJI, as you can see there. This top kind of gold thing is on the top of it, and the swivel part is on the bottom of the DJI logo. Let's do the other side now. Rerouting of wires just needs to be there, and this side, make sure it's inside that as well. We're gonna connect this cable right here onto the motherboard of the Pavo25. Now that guy's just gonna get mounted right there. So basically that's important right there. The bracket doesn't hit anything. Same on this guy, make sure that your camera module is coming in through that bracket. And your cable right there, the white part right there, is coming in here. Just gotta route the cable nicely there so that it doesn't hit by the blade. Now let's go ahead and install the mount for the camera, and this will mount the O3 head camera, and it has an option for the GoPro as well. You kind of don't need it for this though, just because the O3 Air unit footage is really good. And the last bit is just to put back the screws that we took out, and that's really it. We're pretty much done. Go ahead and install the lights now. That is the connection there for the lights. That's it right there. Pretty much you're just gonna go around the whole quadcopter. That is the finished product. Now the DJI O3 Air unit is 229 US. And I think it's worth it just because it has 30 milliseconds or 10 kilometers digital video transmission. It can also transmit 1080p up to 100 frames per second on the goggles. It can record up to 4K 120 frames per second and a super wide view of 155 degrees. The frequency is also auto switching and it has canvas mode. There's a lot of features here. It even has decentralized color mode. It works with the goggles too, the goggles V2 and the controller for the DJI, the version 2. This actually works with Integra, but the website doesn't say that. You have to look it up, and it does work, and I've tried it with that as well. Now you do need a battery for this, so when you are ordering it from Beta FPV, I would just recommend buying a battery for it so that you don't double order. Like I forgot to order a battery for it, and I'll show you everything will be linked down below, so go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.